Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a croissant out of paper. This fun craft project is perfect for all ages and requires just a few simple supplies. First, you will need a sheet of paper, ideally 8.5 by 11 inches, some sharp scissors, and a reliable glue stick. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on creating your very own paper pastry. Now, let's prepare the base for our paper croissant. Take your chosen sheet of paper and carefully cut it into a large triangle. The base of this triangle should measure about 10 inches across, and the height should be around 7 inches. This specific shape is crucial for achieving the classic croissant form. Once cut, lay it flat and prepare for the next folding step. With your triangular paper ready, it's time to give it that iconic croissant curve. Begin rolling the paper tightly from the widest part of the triangle towards the narrow tip. As you roll, ensure the paper remains snug to create a firm structure. Once rolled, gently bend the two ends inward, forming a crescent shape. This step truly brings your paper pastry to life. To complete your paper croissant, secure the final roll with a tiny amount of glue, ensuring it holds its shape. For an extra touch of realism, you might gently crinkle the surface to suggest a flaky texture. You could also use light brown or golden markers to color the edges, giving it a freshly baked appearance. Your beautiful paper croissant is now finished and ready to display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.